Hi guys, so today I'm filming a fall haul. I went to Forever 21, Brandy Melville, and I also ordered a pair of shoes from Superga, and I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so I literally just picked up this package and opened everything, tried everything on, everything fits pretty well. So the first thing I got is this crew neck sweatshirt, which has black and white around the neckline, USA, and some stripes. This was more like sweater material, but it's more like windbreaker material. And it's see-through kind of in the back. But I think this is cute, like all the patterns and everything. So I do like this. The next thing I got is this red plain sweater, see-through actually, and I didn't know that when I ordered it, but it just looks like this, and it's warm. And I got this like patterned pants and fall skirt. Next thing I got is this yellow sweater, which kind of the arms flare out a little bit, and this is super cute and super warm material. This is super cute fall color, so it looks like this. Thing I got is this dark brown sweater, and this is more kind of cropped, and the sleeves they hang down a little bit. They're a little looser on the sleeves, and I think this is also just a super cute fall color. The next two things I got kind of remind me of the Patagonia jackets, but I've never bought them because they're like $100. But it's just like a soft material, zipper down, and it's just super warm and comfy. And I like that so much online that I also ordered in white, and I think white is cute because it looks nice and clean. Hopefully I don't get it dirty, but yeah, so this just zips down also. Next I got this striped sweater, which kind of reminds me of like a grandma sweater, but I think it looks super cute with leggings and like a skirt maybe. So I do like this. It's super warm, like thick knit material. Last thing I got from Forever 21 are these yellow corduroy pants, and they're high-waisted, and I got them in a size too big. They do kind of fit too big, but I like them. They're high-waisted skinny jeans, and they're super comfortable. So those are all the things that I got from Forever 21. Next, I will be showing you guys the shoes I ordered from Superga. I just went and picked up my box from Superga, which is a shoe company that I believe started in Italy. So my receipt, then it comes in this box. So there's so pretty and white. Kind of look like the Steve Madden ones, but I don't like the platinum, so I like these better. They tie up obviously, but they're just plain white shoes, and I really like these, honestly. They're nice, like they look nice, and they're not plasticky. They're made out of a good material. So this is what they look like, and they're super comfy, super cute, just plain white shoes that lace up, and they're really nice material. I really do like. So today's Friday. I'm wearing the white shoes that I just ordered, and I just wanted to show you guys how they look on because I really like them. They're super. So they look like this. I'm wearing these mom jeans from PacSun, belt from Brandy, and this sweater from Forever 21. Okay, so the first thing I got didn't even come in yet. I'm just gonna insert a picture of it right here. And then I also own this pair, 2 other patterns, so I'll show you guys all those. No denying, somewhere in these words I know you're hiding. I was not. So before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys my favorite items that I am selling on my Poshmark. So the first thing is this Brandy Melville eyelet, just white with little dainty flowers on it. The back is open. I think I'm selling this for like $15. The next thing are these Urban Outfitters fun, like colorful shorts with belt loops. Not as much, they aren't very flattering on me. I'm selling these, they're literally brand new for like 15 bucks. So these will also be on there. The last thing that I'm showing you guys, I'm also selling other stuff, but I'm only going to show you these 3. Is this bodysuit from Brandy with the black stripes on the side. Super cute. It kind of just is too small on me, so I've worn it like once. But I think it's really cute. So go check that out in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video of my fall try on haul. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see next week. Bye.
Me on the east side in the city with the sun on set. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna